Hi, I'm Tim, and today I am going to show you how to participate in Initial Ape Offerings. But first, what is an Initial Ape Offering? An Initial Ape Offering is a fundraising vehicle utilized to launch new tokens and bring liquidity to those tokens. In general, you need G-Nana or BNB to participate in an Initial Ape Offering. Essentially, you are trading those tokens for the token being launched. In an Initial Ape Offering, the project gets the BNB, ApeSwap burns the G-Nana. By committing G-Nana, you have advantages over using BNB. Usually there is lower oversubscription in the G-Nana offering, so there is higher allocation than in the BNB offering. The Initial Ape Offerings use an overflow method to determine the distribution of the tokens. This means that basically the more you put in, the more you will get, and you'll get back anything that doesn't get spent. In essence, your committed BNB is a certain percent of the total BNB that was raised. You will get that exact same percent of the amount of tokens that are sold in the IAO. This means that only a portion of your BNB is used to buy tokens, and the rest of your BNB is refunded, in the case of oversubscription. For example, if you put 10 BNB, but the Initial Ape Offering collects 10x of what they meant to collect, you will get back 9 BNB, and 1 BNB will be used to buy the tokens. The exact same thing goes if you use G-Nana. In order to participate in an Initial Ape Offering or see which are coming up, once you are in ApeSwap's home screen, click IAO Official. In this case, we will use a small amount of BNB just to show how it works. Write the amount of BNB you want to contribute with, and then click Contribute. You will then see your contribution. After the sale, you will be able to claim your refund and 25% of your offering tokens. To claim them, go to IAO Official and click Claim. You will then see that tokens harvested will increase, and you will have them in your wallet. The other 75% of your offering tokens will be vested linearly over the next 90 days, releasing gradually, and you will need to claim them too. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.